As an artist, I think it is really important to allow yourself to experiment with your medium. There are no rules in being creative. There are skills to learn, but how you apply them is your decision and no one else's. It is amazing the things you discover by allowing yourself to play, to follow your instinct and enjoy the process of creating new work. In this work, I wanted to find out what marks the leaves would make on a paper once the paint had dried. It is not something I have any control over, but that is what I find interesting. Letting go is often the most difficult part, but therefore the results are collaborative.